Alright, it's Wednesday. Here's Furry neighbor. He's down here with this little cicada. Huh, man. I still don't know neighbor's name. Oh, Lord. Lord, look at him. I swear this is not scripted. This is me out in the yard for my afternoon tummy time with the turtles, and neighbor is over, and now he's entertaining me chasing the cicada. Lord, he's so cute and ridiculous. Look at him. He's adorable. I don't know his name. I call him young man. I called him golden gorgeous. Lord, should I stop and try to say the cicada? Cicada? Should I? I don't think the puppy's gonna actually get him. I think he's just playing with it. Lord, this is seriously entertainment in the country. Not even my puppy. Lord. All right, anyway. I'm gonna go. All right, we'll be back.